So I was in a conversation today and was asked, what is leadership? And I got an idea. My friend Loretta, you know who you are, who was an LSP, a Lego Serious Play facilitator for many years. I just got certified a few months ago. And my friend Loretta kind of shared that she carries a small kit of bricks with her all the time. And so I thought I would. So I love ideation. I put a batch of bricks, small set, in a box that I now carry with me all the time. And when I'm thinking about something, that hand-eye physical coordination to get more ideas out is something that I truly believe in, and that I help leadership teams and strategy sessions and other ways, pull ideas out of their heads, sort of like Dumbledore pulling thoughts out of the head and twirling it around in his bowl. Anyway, to shorten this video somewhat, when I was asked, what does leadership look like or feel like to me, I thought, I'm going to build leadership. So my challenge to you, and if I remember, I'll echo the challenge at the end of this, is to find some Lego bricks somewhere, your kids sitting around from a yard sale, I don't care, or that you actually got in an LSP session, or contact me. I'll send you one of my ideation kits, which is just a small set of bricks, different sizes, purposely put together. And you can build thoughts, ideas, if you're struggling with a solution, step back, pull out your bricks and build that problem, and you may come up with a solution or an answer. So again, to try to keep this as short as possible, well, I thought, let me build leadership, at least what it means to me and feels like to me today. May be a different build tomorrow. So here's what I built. Here's my explanation. Try to hold this up to the camera. So this is I used all the bricks in my ideation kit that fit in here. I won't be sending you my precious Band-Aid box, because these are rare anymore, but I could send this to you. Anyhow, leadership, what it means to me. So love it. I found a source for all colors of Lego figures. This one's black. It just sort of represents me. So I'm trying to do this reverse. So this is me. This is the person, the leader, kind of bending, flexible. Leadership to me is very flexible, bending to sort of the direction, I don't know if the will of others, but basically being a good leader is also a good follower. But they also earn their followership. A leader has ideas, plenty of ideas. I wish this lit up. But anyway, leaning towards, this is a foundation. So to me, a leader starts with a foundation for their people, a foundation for themselves on which to build. That foundation could be core values. It could be a set of principles, processes, systems, some kind of a foundation on which the people we lead can depend and can build their own, can grow and build on that foundation. So this is foundation, the blue here. This is teaching. This is the leader as a teacher, raising the skills, the perspectives, the opportunities for those who follow. These are the followers. I think Gandhi, there go my followers, I must catch up to lead. So these are followers in front of, yet a part of, yet pulling on the foundation that was created by the leader. Sometimes our followers are moving forward, looking forward, help us look forward. Sometimes our followers need to look backwards to gain more experience, to step back when a mistake has been made and adjust. And we leaders need to support that. Let's see. These are there. Sometimes our followers help us spread our wings. We're also here to help our followers spread their wings. This is representing financial leadership, financial stewardship, because in a business, in an organization, we're leading in order for the organization to grow, in order for the organization to be profitable, different levels of profitability. This is gold bar, this is silver bar. Sometimes things go not in the direction we were planning. It may be going backwards and we have to recover from that backward movement, or just sometimes it's a different direction and we need to be able to pivot and adjust as leaders. And then this is a little outshoot here. Sometimes we need to do things we don't necessarily like. I happen to dislike pink, except for what it stands for, breast cancer. Otherwise, I kind of hate the color pink. So sometimes we as leaders need to embrace or reach out to engage in something we don't particularly like, but we need to in order to move the organization forward. So this is me building leadership today. It would be a different model tomorrow. So this is what Lego Serious Play, what LSP can help you do. But I'm here just to share my own benefit of using the model to help me solidify my ideas for the specific discussion from today.